In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include live chat support on a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive into the process of setting up live chat support. It's a great way to engage with your visitors and provide instant assistance. First things first, you need to choose a live chat software provider. There are several options out there that offer free widgets. Some popular choices include Tidio and HubSpot, but feel free to explore other services you might prefer. Once you've selected a provider, create an account with them. After logging in, you'll typically have access to a dashboard where you can configure your chat widget to fit your needs. Once you've set everything up to your liking, the next step is to locate the JavaScript embed code. This code is essential because it allows your live chat feature to function on your website. So go ahead, find that code, and make sure to copy the entire script snippet. Having that ready will make the next steps much smoother. Now that you have your chat code in hand, it's time to move over to Weebly. Log into your Weebly account and select the specific project where you want to add this live chat feature. Once you're in your project, click on the Edit Site button. This will bring you into the Weebly editor where the real magic happens. Within the editor, you need to access the SEO code panel. To do this, look for the top menu and click on Settings. It should be visible there. Once you're in the Settings menu, select SEO from the left-hand options. This section is where you can influence how your website interacts with search engines, but in this case we're focusing on embedding that chat code. In the SEO section, you'll find a box labeled Header Code. This is the crucial part because you will paste your copied live chat script directly into this area. By placing it here, you're ensuring that the chat widget will automatically load on every page of your site. It's a simple yet effective way to make sure your visitors have access to instant help, regardless of which page they're browsing. After you've pasted the code in the header code box, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Publish button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This action will save your progress and push the live chat widget live on your site. Congratulations, you're almost there. To double-check that everything worked perfectly, open your website in a new or incognito browser tab. This way, you can see your site as a visitor would. Take a look in the corner of the screen, and you should see that chat bubble popping up. If it's there, you're all set. You've successfully added live chat support to your Weebly website. And that wraps up our quick tutorial for today. I hope this guide has made the process easy for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.